Online dating. In a digital landscape where first impressions are everything, crafting a compelling online dating profile can make all the difference. But what exactly makes a profile stand out and attract potential matches? Let's unravel the secrets behind an irresistible online dating profile. In the realm of online dating, individuals are seeking connection, compatibility, and chemistry. They're looking for someone who resonates with their interests, values, and personality traits. Authenticity. Being genuine and true to oneself is paramount in building trust and rapport with potential matches. Authenticity shines through in the way we present ourselves, from our photos and bio to our interests and hobbies. Embracing our unique quirks and qualities makes us more relatable and appealing to others. Engaging profile photos. One of the first things that catches someone's eye on an online dating platform is the profile photo. High quality, engaging photos that showcase our personality and interests are essential for making a positive first impression. Whether it's a candid shot that captures our genuine smile or a photo that highlights our hobbies and passions, visually appealing photos can make our profile stand out from the crowd. Compelling bio. In addition to captivating photos, a well-crafted bio plays a crucial role in making our profile attractive. Our bio is our opportunity to introduce ourselves, share our interests and values, and spark conversation. Whether we're sharing a funny anecdote, a meaningful life experience, or our favorite travel destinations, our bio should reflect our personality and invite others to get to know us better. Positive vibes. Positivity is another key ingredient in making our profile attractive. People are naturally drawn to optimism and enthusiasm, so infusing our profile with positive vibes can make us more appealing to potential matches. Whether it's expressing gratitude for the little things in life or sharing our aspirations and goals for the future, a positive attitude can go a long way in attracting like-minded individuals. Honesty and transparency. Transparency is crucial in online dating. Being honest about who we are, what we're looking for, and what we bring to the table fosters trust and authenticity in our interactions. Misrepresenting ourselves or hiding key aspects of our personality can lead to disappointment and frustration down the line. By being upfront and transparent from the start, we set the foundation for genuine connections built on mutual respect and understanding. Crafting an attractive online dating profile is all about authenticity, engagement, and positivity. By showcasing our genuine selves, sharing compelling photos and bios, and maintaining honesty and transparency, we increase our chances of making meaningful connections with potential matches. Remember, the key to a successful online dating experience is being true to oneself and embracing the journey with an open heart and mind. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more wise content. Until next time, happy swiping and stay wise.